guy back there doing the outboard motor thing.
Taking care of us.
Yeah, they've been doing real well. We've seen monkeys, birds, no anacondas so far. Might have seen a piranha, but so far you're looking at it. It's just miles and miles and miles of lush green tropical rainforest. Say that this gets between 200 and 400 centimeters of rain every year, yeah, and the river's way up, which is supposedly unusual for this time of year. We'll see. This is our guide up here, Wilson. He's trying to help us spot something right now. If we find something, we'll take another video of it. Talk at you later, guys.
Adios.